What's up guys, I'm in downtown Petoskey in Fustinis and there is a cooking class going on right behind me. It smells so good. We're gonna go check out more. Here we go.
I'm Steph. 3 years ago, I had never even heard of the Petoskey area, but then I fell in love and moved here with my husband. We've traveled all over the world, but some of our favorite adventures are exploring this place we call home. You guys probably know Fustinis for its delicious oils, vinegars, and other foodie favorites, but they also have the Fustinis School of Cooking, which we're at tonight. They have a variety of options, but basically it's a night of cooking where a chef or a host comes in and they either do a demonstration or it's an interactive night. They also have nights where they do cooking for a cause where part of the payment goes to a local charity. They have different themes and cook different foods, so make sure you check out their schedule to find one that you're excited about. I love this idea because it's a great activity any time of the year. Rain, sun, or snow, you get to be with a group of people and spend the night learning new recipes, cooking techniques, and using Fustinis products throughout the night. We actually soaked a pineapple in an orange oil and then grilled it and what? It was amazing. Someone here said it best. They said it's like going out to dinner for the evening, but even better because you get to be a part of it. So whether you're looking for a date night or a fun activity with friends, definitely take a look at the Fustinis School of Cooking the next time you're in the Petoskey area. You can find them online by visiting their website or at petoskeyarea.com.
Thanks for being here guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and we'll see you on the next one.